regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area.
Yes! Oh!
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Logan County, southern Hardin County, northwestern Union County, Ohio, until 8 p.m. At 7:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bell Center, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. For current, minor hail
Sorry.
vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bell Fountain, Bell Center, West Mansfield, Northwood, Mount Victory, Rush, Sylvania, Huntsville, Ridgeway, New Jerusalem, Byhalia, Broadway, Somersville, Big Springs, Essex, McMorran, and Raymond.